Don't mind the boxes, the seller is packing up to have it ready for the new buyer to move in. This home has been well maintained and is truly move-in ready. You are greeted by the living room, which feels spacious and offers several windows to allow the natural light in. From the living room you can follow it to the dining room, or on through the sliding glass doors into the Florida room. The L-shaped kitchen is updated, has a closet pantry, plenty of cabinet and counter space, along with eating space in the kitchen that is large enough to hold a small table and chairs. The master bedroom is large enough to hold a king-sized bed and has a walk-in closet with sliding mirror-covered doors. The master bath has a step-in shower and offers lots of space for storage. The second bedroom is also good-sized with a walk-in closet and access to the second full bathroom directly across the hall. Utility room, with washer-dryer hookups inside with a door that leads onto the carport. Outside, the two-car carport has a huge storage or workshop attached to it that has washer-dryer hookups. There is a separate storage shed with doors and an additional covered storage area. This home also has a covered RV parking pad, complete with electric hookups. Comes with a water filtration system and 2 wells, one well supplies the home and the other is for irrigation. There is no HOA. This home is located close to 2 grocery